Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Kim. I show everyone how to properly trade binary options and also show you to the easiest and most profitable strategies for you. Before starting this video, I recommend you to subscribe to my closed Telegram channel where I post free signals with 90% accuracy. Link in the description, and we start our trading. So let's start our trading session, but before we start it, I'm gonna make things a little harder, so I will withdraw $3,000 that left on my balance, put down the link, press continue button, and transaction is being processed. So of course I will attach all the links, and I guess we can get down trading. We are gonna open position for the maximum deposit amount. So put down $35 here, also we trade on a 1 minute time frame as usual, guys. So I've already picked out all the currency pairs, so now move on to our indicators. The first one is gonna be the Kelton channel, which is one of my favorite indicators, and the second one is the RCI. Let's up, the RCI is at period 20, that makes it less sensitive to price fluctuation, and keep the overbought and oversold zones as they are. We are not gonna change anything here. And let's start our trading session. Within the process, you will understand how to trade with the strategy in a cost-effective manner. So let's start and find the first currency pairs. Let's start in the analysis. We are interested in the better payout rate, so analyzing what do we got here. Here is descent trade entry for a long, and let's do this, guys. Selection the workspace. Look, guys, now a flat movement definitely prevails, and the RSI is in the zone 50 approximately. That's a nice value. Then we can point out this support zone, this price range. Here the price rebounded 3 times from here and started moving up. Also here we see a huge shadow of the candle. There are where the impulse to the upside from the lower point of the channel, which literally tells us that the correction in the zone is over, guys. And the only option here is a long position. As you see, guys, the breakout has already happened. There are where nothing complicated. We literally looked at the RSI, made sure that there is a flat, found the support zone, that is the price impulse from the lower boundary of channel, and our first position has been closed with a profit. Well, strong correction has already happened here, so let's open a long position, select the workspace. Here we are continuing on the Kelton channel. There is not much to say about the RSI. It's in the zone 50. Solid value, the trend is more or less uniform. First of all, I wanna point out the updating of the local low, and I also underline the support zone. Here are several impulses to the upside took place, so the price goes upwards, and here the price went out of the channel. Then there is a huge shadow of the candles, and it tells us that the bulls are gaining momentum. And after that correction, I think we are gonna see the upward movement. As you see, guys, very strong upward dynamics, guys, and another position has been closed with a profit, guys. Very nice, everything is super simple. Let's refresh the page. Well, wait a little bit, guys. Yes, page has just refreshed, and let's continue, guys, our trading. So let's continue our trading session, change the trade amount and find the next currency pair. So we are interested in the highest payout rate. Good correction to the downside, it happened here, that's why we open a long position right away, select the workspace. So we see a consistent upward price movement here. A small correction also takes place. So you can see that you sell the updating of the local high, it happened here. Early on in this zone, several corrections can be seen here, and exactly right here we also see the correction. The price is inside the channel now, and this our trading signal. So we open after the correction, we work ahead of the market, and we're expecting the breakout in the end, guys. The breakout likely to happen on the last second, and there are approximately 10 seconds left before the closing, and let's watch, guys. And another position has been closed with a profit, guys. Let's update the trade amount and make it for the money and carry on our trading. Let's continue our trading session, find the next currency pairs, carry on the analysis. We are looking for the highest payout rate. Here we instantly open a long position. I think we caught a great level here. We see the consistent uptrend. Our analysis is built on the data from the Quotex indicators. Look, guys, here is the uptrend, and then the correction shows up. So you can see that yourself, guys, after all this correction, our local high is being updated every time, and here the local highs has been updated. And if you take into consideration this, guys, here a good correction has already happened, and we expect the breakout to the upside playing ahead of the market. So the RSI also shows up a good ascending dynamics, the movement behavior. This doesn't simply any huge impulse, that's why we open the long here. So we already see a good breakout exactly as I predicted, as simple as that. And another position, guys, is in the profit. Very good, guys. Let's change the trade amount and let's carry on our trading session. We need the highest payout rate, guys. Here we see a good correction, and we instantly open another long position. Consistent upward dynamics we have already opened here, so let's underline the support zone, and here is the touch, and we again work ahead of the market. After this massive correction, I expect the breakout of the upside again, because the correction broke into the channel. Good long lasting correction, so and we are gonna fix the profit here. Yep, guys, the breakout has already happened. Brilliant trade entry, great timing. So there are 20 seconds left, and I think the zone is another trade in profit, guys. So guys, let's watch. Another position is in a profit, guys. Let's change the trade amount. Actually, we opened in similar situation as in the previous one. And let's continue our trading, guys. Find another currency pairs. So here is a great trade entry, and I open a short here, selecting the workspace, and I will explain to you guys how to act when you see this situation. Strong upward impulse here, take a look at the price behavior. So we point out this resistance and come to the conclusion that a little breakdown of the zone did happen, and then a strong impulse. RSI is in the overbought zone, and everything is really simple, guys. When you see this picture, wait for a great entry and open a short. Everything is straightforward here. We have already detected the good trade entry, and you see the price went lower. There are around 10 seconds left before the closing, and let's watch the price movement. And our position is in a profit, guys. So simple. That was a specific case. I'm happy to demonstrate it for you guys. Let's change the trade amount and refresh the page. And let's carry on our trading session, find another currency pairs. Let's see what we got here. Let's open a short position. Here the updating of the local high just flashed out. Here we opened right after the correction. Trade entries were at these zones and the signals were correct. And here we gonna act in different way. We work ahead of the market. Here is a strong impulse to the upside up to the updating of the local highs. That's why we should expect a small correction here, because the trend is consistent, correction takes place, and basically I guess this one is gonna be in profits. As you see, guys, we have a strong breakdown to the downside, strong correction after the strong impulse to the upside. Everything is also pretty simple here. And another position has been closed with the profits, guys. We got 2000 on our balance. I'm gonna open a final trade to consolidate the result. So let's find another currency pairs. Here is a good trade entry, guys. Let's open a short position without hesitation. We've managed to find a good trade entry. We are interested in the zone. Here is 200% trade entry. We see the peak over SI. On the price move downwards, it means that now it's time to go down as well. There were a strong impulse to the upside, the updating of the local highs, the price entered the channel, and then the descending dynamics follows up, guys. Here is the updating of the local low that happened, and again strong impulse to the upside, the price entered the channel, and that is our signal for the trade entry. And so we conclude that this pullback should be over, and as you see, guys, the price started going down, nothing complicated, and another position is in a profit, guys. We got $3,776 for today. That's the outcome. Let's move to withdrawal. Withdraw $3,770. Put down the link, press continue button. The transaction has been processed. I will attach the screen where it's done, guys.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, and to go my closed Telegram channel. We will trade and earn together.